In 2025, SUVs dominate the road. Families depend on them, commuters rely on them, and adventurers push them to their limits. But when it comes to choosing the right one, style and features can be deceiving. The true test of a good SUV is reliability, how well it holds up after years of driving, maintenance, and life's unexpected moments. Consumer Reports has combed through real-world data, repair records, and owner surveys to reveal which models will truly stand the test of time. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's count them down. The 8 most reliable SUVs of 2025. Number 8. Lexus NX Hybrid. Luxury usually comes at a price, not just the sticker price, but the hidden costs that creep in years later. Anyone who's owned a German luxury SUV knows the story. The ride is smooth for the first 18 months, then warning lights, electrical gremlins, and $3,000 repair bills start showing up. But the Lexus NX Hybrid changes that story entirely. This SUV combines Lexus craftsmanship with Toyota's world-famous hybrid system, one of the most tested and proven drivetrains on the planet. It delivers 239 horsepower, about 35 miles per gallon combined, and a cabin experience that's as quiet as a library. The hybrid battery? Toyota's track record shows it lasts well beyond 150,000 miles with minimal issues. That's why Consumer Reports places the NX Hybrid at the very top of luxury reliability rankings year after year. Inside, it feels like a true premium space. Real leather, carefully stitched trim, and an intuitive layout make it both comfortable and user-friendly. You won't find glitchy infotainment or gimmicky controls here, just smart functional design, wireless Apple CarPlay, a Mark Levinson audio system, and simple climate controls make everyday driving effortless. And here's the kicker: resale value. While many luxury SUVs shed 40% of their worth in the first 3 years, the NX Hybrid holds strong. Even 5 years down the road, used models are in demand because buyers trust Lexus. This is the rare luxury SUV that delivers both comfort today and confidence for years to come. Number 7. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid proves you don't need to compromise. Compact SUVs force buyers to choose between efficiency, all-weather capability, or affordability. But here, you get it all in one reliable package. It starts with Toyota's hybrid system, a design so durable that many owners take their RAV4 hybrids past 180,000 miles without major repairs. Real-world fuel economy averages 35 miles per gallon, which makes a huge difference over time as gas prices fluctuate. Add standard electric all-wheel drive, and you've got an SUV that can handle rain, snow, and gravel without hesitation. Consumer Reports data shows the RAV4 Hybrid scoring above average in powertrain, electronics, and overall reliability. That means no dreaded check engine light surprises or recurring repair nightmares that plague competitors. Insurance companies reward it too, thanks to Toyota Safety Sense, a suite of features like adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and collision mitigation braking. And then there's value. Unlike trendy SUVs that depreciate fast, the RAV4 Hybrid holds resale remarkably well. A 3-year-old model can still command over 60% of its original price, making it a smart choice whether you buy new or slightly used. For drivers who want a daily companion that saves money at the pump, holds value, and inspires trust, the RAV4 Hybrid is a bulletproof pick. Number 6. Toyota Highlander Hybrid. For families, size matters, but so does the cost of fueling a bigger vehicle. Enter the Toyota Highlander Hybrid, the SUV that proves you can have space for everyone without draining your wallet at the gas pump. This 3-row SUV seats up to 8 passengers, yet delivers about 40 miles per gallon combined in real-world driving numbers that rival compact sedans. Under the hood, Toyota pairs a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder with electric motors tuned for smoothness and longevity, not flash. The payoff? Owners routinely report Highlander hybrids passing 200,000 miles with little more than routine maintenance. Step inside and you'll find classic Toyota design, intuitive controls, durable materials, and family-friendly space. The third row isn't the largest, but it's perfectly usable for kids or shorter trips. Fold it down, and cargo capacity expands dramatically, giving you room for luggage, strollers, sports gear, or whatever else life demands. Reliability is where the Highlander Hybrid shines brightest. Consumer Reports scores it above average across engine, hybrid system, and in-car electronics, a rare consistency in a category where many large SUVs stumble. Add in Toyota Safety Sense, which can also lower insurance premiums, and you've got a vehicle that saves money quietly every single year. If you want a family hauler with the operating cost of a compact car and the reliability of a Toyota badge, the Highlander Hybrid is the smart play. Number 5. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 is the SUV that surprises people the most. At first glance, it doesn't scream family hauler or rugged off-roader. Instead, it feels like a driver's car, something you might expect from a German luxury brand, not a mainstream Japanese automaker. And yet, the CX-5 manages to deliver that premium experience while remaining incredibly reliable. Mazda engineers have always focused on driving feel, and the CX-5 is no exception. Sharp steering, responsive handling, and a ride tuned for balance make it more fun to drive than most SUVs in its class. But what makes it special is that none of that driving character comes at the expense of dependability. Consumer Reports consistently ranks it above average for reliability, with few recurring mechanical issues and solid long-term durability. Step inside, and you'll swear you're in a vehicle that costs $10,000 more. The materials feel upscale, from soft leather upholstery to brushed metal accents, and the cabin layout is clean and elegant. Mazda also keeps technology simple and reliable: intuitive infotainment, physical climate controls, and features that just work without lag or glitches. Owners love the CX-5 because it feels like they got away with something, enjoying the look and feel of a luxury SUV without the headaches that usually come with one. Add in strong resale value, thanks to Mazda's growing reputation for durability, and you've got a hidden gem in the reliability game. Number 4. Acura RDX. Luxury SUVs usually walk a fine line, offer premium features, but risk drowning in expensive repairs. The Acura RDX doesn't fall into that trap. Built with Honda DNA, the RDX offers the smoothness, comfort, and refinement of a luxury vehicle, while sidestepping the reliability nightmares that plague its European rivals. The RDX is powered by a strong turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, delivering quick acceleration while remaining efficient. More importantly, it's an engine that's been tested and refined for years across Honda's lineup, meaning the reliability record is already established. Consumer Reports places it well above average in reliability, especially in categories where other luxury SUVs stumble: powertrain, electronics, and infotainment. Inside, the RDX feels premium without going overboard. The seats are supportive for long drives, the cabin is hushed even at highway speeds, and the tech suite covers everything you'd expect: navigation, Apple CarPlay, adaptive cruise control. What you won't find are the glitchy, overcomplicated systems that make many European SUVs a headache after just a few years. Then there's value. Acura vehicles hold resale value better than almost any luxury brand besides Lexus, which means buying an RDX is not just about enjoying it today, it's about keeping your financial peace of mind tomorrow. For anyone wanting luxury comfort without luxury stress, the RDX is a smart, reliable choice. Number 3. Subaru Forester. For decades, the Subaru Forester has quietly built a reputation as the SUV you can depend on when conditions get tough. Snowy winters? Rainy commutes? Weekend camping trips? The Forester handles them all with ease, thanks to Subaru's legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive system. But what sets the Forester apart isn't just capability, it's reliability. Consumer Reports praises its durability year after year, with owners reporting minimal issues over the long haul. The simple, naturally aspirated four-cylinder engine avoids the complexity of turbos, keeping repairs straightforward and costs low. And the Forester's rugged design means it's built to take daily abuse without complaint. Step inside, and you'll notice one of the Forester's signature strengths: visibility. Massive windows and an upright driving position give drivers a commanding view of the road, a feature that's both convenient and adds to overall safety. The cabin itself is practical, with durable materials that hold up to kids, pets, and gear without looking worn after a few years. Insurance costs are often lower too, thanks to Subaru's top-rated safety systems. For buyers who value dependability, practicality, and peace of mind in all weather conditions, the Forester continues to be one of the most trusted names on the road. Number 2. Honda CR-V Hybrid. The Honda CR-V has long been one of the best-selling SUVs in America, and the hybrid version takes everything people already loved about its space, comfort, safety, and adds another layer of efficiency. The result? One of the most well-rounded and reliable SUVs you can buy today. The hybrid system delivers around 35 miles per gallon in real-world driving, making it one of the most fuel-efficient options in its class. But more importantly, Honda's hybrid system is simple and robust, with far fewer problems than the complex setups found in some competitors. Owners routinely report years of smooth operation, with little more than oil changes and tire rotations. Inside, the CR-V Hybrid strikes a perfect balance of space and practicality. The rear seats are roomy enough for adults, and the cargo bay is one of the largest in its class. Honda Sensing safety features come standard, giving drivers adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, not only boosting safety, but also keeping insurance rates lower. Consumer Reports consistently praises the CR-V for reliability, noting its solid track record with powertrain, electronics, and comfort features. It's the kind of SUV you buy once and keep for a decade without regret. Number 1. Honda Pilot. At the top of the list sits the Honda Pilot, a true family workhorse that's built for the long haul. With 3 rows of seating, a strong V6 engine, and a reputation for lasting well beyond 200,000 miles, the Pilot stands as one of the most dependable large SUVs on the market. The magic of the Pilot is balance. It's roomy enough for big families, with a 3rd row that adults can actually use, yet it doesn't feel bulky to drive. The V6 engine delivers smooth, consistent power without relying on turbochargers or overcomplicated tech, which means fewer repair headaches as the miles add up. Inside, the Pilot focuses on comfort and practicality. There's plenty of storage space for road trips, high-quality materials that resist wear, and Honda's latest safety suite as standard. The cabin may not be flashy, but it's designed to handle the realities of family life spills, car seats, luggage, and all. Consumer Reports places the Pilot among the highest-ranked SUVs for reliability in 2025, and owners agree. Time and again, families report Pilots lasting for over a decade with only basic maintenance. When you need an SUV that won't let you down, the Honda Pilot is the clear number 1. Reliability isn't just about avoiding breakdowns, it's about peace of mind. It's knowing that your SUV will get you to work, carry your family safely, and take you on adventures without drama or surprise repair bills. The 2025 Consumer Reports list shows us that reliability still matters. And these 8 SUVs, from Toyota's bulletproof hybrids to Honda's family champions and Subaru's rugged Forester, prove that smart choices save money and stress in the long run. Pick wisely, and your SUV won't just be transportation, it'll be a partner you can count on for years to come.